Yes! Yes! Yes!
Experts in buying jewelry, coins, and more across Linwood, Tacoma, Issaquah, and Bellevue. Cloudy today with a good chance of rain, high 56. Cloudy through the evening as well with overnight showers, low 47.
Oh shit!
Seriously.
God, bro.
Think you're following?
Well, yeah.
Oh,
Is the car okay?
uma coisa ela falou outra. Ela falou assim que não, e a Pri falou cura diabetes, não cura diabetes. Just goes low. Mas se segura aí. Se segura, mãe.
Okay, sorry. Wow. Manual recording will now start.
But in fact, we have done it for fear, for a reason, saying, in time to come, your descendants may speak to our descendants, saying,
Current loop video is now
we
locked.
may perform the service of the Lord before him, with our burnt offerings, with our sacrifices, and with our peace offerings.
It's gonna be south of Roadway, I think. Hey! Stop it. Stop it. Put your hands up! Your hands up!
Say the full name of the contact you want to find.